After the successful release of the HONOR X9a 5G, HONOR just recently released its latest budget-friendly phone under its X series lineup with the new HONOR X7a. Out of the box, you get the HONOR X7a unit, SIM ejector tool, quick start guide, clear protective case, a 22.5 HONOR supercharged power adapter, and a USB-A to USB-C cable. The HONOR X7a will come in 3 colorways in titanium silver, the classic midnight black, and our review unit in ocean blue. The new HONOR X7a is equipped with a large 6.74-inch full-view HD Plus display, refresh rate of up to 90 Hz, and acquired a TUV Rainland Low Blue Light certification. It is powered by a MediaTek Helio G37 octa-core processor with peak speeds up to 2.3 GHz, 6GB RAM, 128GB internal storage, expandable up to 1TB via a microSD. We get a quad camera setup comprising a 50MP main camera, a 5MP wide camera, a 2MP lens on both the macro and depth camera. For selfies, you have an 8MP lens. Recording your videos lets you have the option of using either 1080p or 720p resolution at 30 frames per second. The HONOR X7a runs on Magic UI 6.1 based on Android 12. It comes with a massive 6000 mAh battery, which HONOR claims could last up to 3 days on a single charge. Juicing up the phone with this big size battery will be easy with the included 22.5 watts HONOR supercharge. The HONOR X7a is priced at $7,919, now available in all HONOR stores and online e-commerce partners.
Please share, like and click to subscribe to megabites.com.ph.